Next up, difference of two perfect squares. So again, let's notice, right, in each of these there is no common factor, and also in each of these problems there are two terms. A term is separated by either a plus or a minus sign. So we're going to be using the difference of two perfect squares. So whenever we're using this, we must have minus in between the two terms, and both terms must be perfect squares. So recall, anytime we're doing the difference of two perfect squares, we end up with two factors. One is plus and one is minus. The square root of x squared is x, and then the square root of 49 is 7. So we get x plus 7, x minus 7. Okay? B, same thing. We know it's difference of two perfect squares. So we know one is plus, one is minus. I'll make sure we take into account the number here. So the square root of 9x squared would be 3x. So our first term there is 3x. And then the square root of 100 is 10. So we will get plus 10 and minus 10. Okay? C. Now again, the order matters here. So let's make sure we remember the order does matter. Alright, so I have my two factors. We know one's plus, one's minus. So we start with the 16. The square root of 16 is 4. So the first term in each factor is going to be 4. And then the square root of 25y squared is going to be 5y. So plus 5y and minus 5y. Alright, very good. We got one more here. So again, I'm going to go ahead and draw up my two factors. We have difference of two perfect squares. So one is plus, one is minus. The square root of 36b squared would be 6b. And the square root of 49z squared would be 7z. So 6b plus 7z and 6b minus 7z. Alright, there you have it. That's difference of two perfect squares.